at least us to discuss matters, I believe, with Amit Shah and President and even newly elected Chief Minister expecting, are we expecting some interesting developments happening in Tripura right now and Manik Shah declared?
I said to everyone that I will go to the palace and from there I will speak to the media properly from the palace. If you all want to listen to me what I have to say, then kindly come to the palace and we will have a proper briefing where I will tell you and I'll give you my statement. What time? I think if you all can decide what time, then it will be better because I am available. Then you please come in 1 hour's time.
It's 4:40.
And my only humble suggestion to all of you all, because you all are national media, is kindly do not get very excited. We are here to serve the community and we are here to represent the TIPRASA community and the people of Tripura, and we will, whatever we have to say will be for the upliftment of the community, and we are here not to ask for anything for ourselves but for a constitution solution.